Say good morning, Orlando. Say good morning. Hi guys, so today we've got a few little DIY jobs to do around the house. I thought I'd vlog it for you. So we actually started a little job yesterday. This cupboard downstairs in our, can you see it there? In our kitchen we've got a cupboard, and it was basically a junk cupboard and had no use at all. Like, we just store our vacuum in there and things like that. So we've decided to make it a coat cupboard because that is actually something we could do with. Obviously we've got the storage for shoes under our stairs and we were putting our coats upstairs, so we thought, why not make this into a coat cupboard? Mark actually suggested it and I think that was a great idea. So let me show you how we've got on so far. So basically we have cleared this cupboard out and we've painted it because it was really yellow and had loads of marks on it. So what we've done is we've painted it. I need to get another coat today. We've just painted it white, and we're going to put a rail in here, some shelving and things like that, so we can put some baskets in there as well for like hats and gloves and things. Yeah, it's actually a really big space when you take everything out of it. What I'll do is I'll put a picture of how it looked like before here because it was literally so messy, and I wasn't actually going to vlog like sorting it out, but then we thought actually we might as well. So yeah, this was the before, which is literally crazy. It was full of junk and everything. Every time you open the cupboard, like, things would fall out of it. So hopefully this little transformation will make it a much more useful space, and you know, it's really cheap to do as well. So painted it. I'm going to paint the rest of it in a minute. I'm going to do another coat so it dries and we can start putting the shelving stuff up. So we've given it a paint now, and now we're going to use this on the door, so it's satin quick dry paint.
Lucky it's in my garage.
Yeah.
Sort of thing you keep and never use, but it's bad, isn't it?
It's only 8 o'clock, so Vinny's not at school yet.
Taking it in time though.
This is a team effort, this little transformation.
It's going to be a right transformation.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
So I've just put Orlando down for a nap, and now I'm just folding some washing in the utility room. Mark and Renzo have gone to, I think they've gone to fill a tyre up for the car. I'm doing the washing, catching up on this. So I like to get this, like the bulk of the washing done before the weekend, so then I haven't got to do it over the weekend. Wash, dry, repeat. Look, I got this sign the other day actually sent to me. How apt is this? It says wash, dry, fold, repeat. I'm gonna put that up in here. I ordered this frame from Amazon. It came yesterday and I thought that would look really cool in here, so I've got that to go up in the utility room. I've got like a space up here which I'm gonna put it in. I thought that was really good. I'll link the lady that sent them to me down in the description because she's lovely. She sent loads of lovely prints, especially some prints for the boys as well, like for their little playhouse. Got this like dinosaur one which you know Renzo would love, and then this lovely sign, like a Disney themed sign as well, which is really cute.
So the paint's dry now, and now we're going to put some uni-strut metal down here that we can put the shelves off. Orlando's napping for like 20 minutes.
He's just having cat naps at the moment. He's not sleeping like well at all, is he, in the day or the
He's been a
night?
bit ill, isn't he? But how long are we going to say he's a bit ill for?
It's always when you start a job, baby wakes up. Oh my god. So we're like one's out of action again now.
Renzi's here today. Hey Renz, you're here today, aren't you, bud? Day off from school today.
Did someone call for assistance?
It's a bit easy if someone can hold it.
Right, so little update. So we've got these kind of like brackets on the walls now. This is where the shelves are going to go under here, and then we're going to put a pole like across here.
Just double checking the measurements.
Okay, so it's a few days later now, and I thought I would give you a little update on our cupboard because it's all finished now. I found some baskets actually. I wanted some lidded baskets, but I couldn't find those, so I found a great alternative and I got them from B&M. So let me show you what it looks like inside. So this is our new downstairs cupboard, and I think it looks so much better. It was just a junk cupboard, so basically there was just junk in it. We didn't use it for anything else apart from storing the vacuum, which has still got a place in here. And then we've still got the things up here. So we've got our broom, my mop, things like that. And I bought this from Amazon. Actually, it's really good, guys, because you can put any kind of size, whatever this is, bar in there. And it literally just fits in there. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to make any adjustments, and you literally just like slot it in. And there's also hooks on here so I can hang things if I need to, if we run out of space for anything else. So I could put my like apron on here or anything like that. But let me take you inside so you can have a proper look. So at the moment we've just got our main coats in here. We have got more hangers for more things. We got the hangers from Homebase. We also got this rail from Homebase as well. And I just think it looks fab. So we've got Orlando's coat, Renzo's, Vinny's, mine and Mark's all in here. So that's all cute. Loads of space for more if we need to. And then down here we've got these baskets. And I got these because these two down here are empty. So let me just show you. I got these two because they're gold. So they're gold and baby pink, and I just thought they were really nice. And they're like a nice deep basket, so they don't look too messy, because even when I do fill them up, they're still going to be quite hidden. I don't really mind that I haven't got the lidded baskets, because I think actually it's probably going to be easier for the boys to access everything as well and make it easier for them. The shelving and all of this kind of stuff here is all from Homebase also, and I think it's great. You can move the shelves if you need to, but I think it's perfect as it is. We've got plenty of space down here now if we need to put anything else down here. So if we need to put like their wellies or shoes or anything like that, then we can do, but obviously we have got the shoe storage as well, so we probably won't need to use that for anything else. But if we need to, we can pop their bags, their school bags and stuff down there as well. So that, guys, is our new understairs cupboard, which I think looks absolutely fab. So much more use for the space. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think we did a good job. It was a really little fun project actually to do. It wasn't something we planned on doing. It was a last minute kind of decision, and I'm so glad we made it. Mark suggested it and I think it was a great suggestion. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.